I would definitely follow up with another email if I don't hear back from them, say in about 2 to 3 weeks. It's a thin line between stalking them, like being too aggressive, because I'm going to tell you, when it comes to key artists, many times, like me, I can be very busy, but some of my work I'm not able to bring an assistant. Or maybe I am on hold to key this show, but they don't confirm me to key the show until a week before the show or 3 days before the show. So I can't tell you, okay, yes, I'd love to bring you on the show until it's confirmed. And then I'm calling you at the last minute. So it's good to stay at the top of people's heads.